Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to freeze your location on Snapchat. So let's get started. So there are two ways to freeze your location on Snapchat. So the first way is to just simply open up your Snapchat application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on it, now you'll come up to your settings, and from here you just have to scroll down and then search for an option which is see my location. So just search for see my location. So here you can find this option. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now what you have to do is you just have to simply turn on your ghost mode. And after turning on your ghost mode, you will freeze your location. So while turning it on, you will find these options that how long would you like to turn on your ghost mode. So if you want to do that for 3 hours or for 24 hours or until you turn it on. So I'll just simply tap on until turned off, and after doing that, now it will not turn on or your location will be freezed until you turn this option off. So this was the first way, and the second way is to just simply come back, and after coming back to your home screen, now head over to your Snapchat, then tap and hold on your Snapchat application. Then you will find this eye icon which is app info. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on permissions. After tapping on permissions, now what you have to do is just simply don't allow location. So just tap on don't allow, and then don't allow this feature to access your Snapchat. And by doing this, you will freeze your location on Snapchat. So that's it guys, just simply follow these steps and you can also freeze your location on Snapchat. So that's it, this is how to freeze location on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.